Let's first discuss the main patch, which is the X39, correct?
Right. Yeah,
Okay.
that's by far the most popular product we have.
Okay. Yeah. How exactly does it work? What is the technology? And
Okay, so since we talked a little bit about the past, at that time I had a research lab in Dahlonega, Georgia, and Dahlonega is where the Army Rangers train, and it was also the site of the gold rush in the U.S. I was driving home and I'm driving around Lake Lanier, and I had invented this new type of turbine that used a vortex flow in order to generate power. I was thinking, or I would say I was inspired with the thought that there must be a vortex flow inside of human cells. And what if we could create a communication channel with this vortex flow? We might be able to communicate with cells and get them to do some interesting things. And so I worked on this idea for about 3 years and came up with patches. Basically, the idea behind this is that we could stimulate the skin with very, very low levels of light in a specific way. So we could communicate with the cells and get them to do things like increase fat burning. And this would improve energy production in the body, along with other benefits. Over a period of 20 years, this technology was refined to do some very sophisticated things, such as mobilizing stem cells. But the basic tech is using very low levels of light, with those wavelengths of light being modulated, much like laser communications, so we can induce synthesis of specific peptides, which cause specific benefits like improved rates at which we heal.